All set. Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Ideal View break quickly at a start, rushing upon the outside is Show Master. Grand Sensation is down on the inside. Sambat Kiss Me, Doña Leonora. Then comes Dr. Choice. Down on the inside is Executive Order. Buku Juice comes next. Wolf Run while Plush away is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Showmaster by our length. Down on the inside is Doña Leonora. Ideal View is racing in third. Sambat is down in fourth. Then next online is Dr. Choice. Moving up, Executive Order. Grand Sensation is down on the inside. Then next online is Kiss Me, Wolf Run, Flash away, while Buku Juice now racing in 11th. Inside the tres octavo we have Showmaster by our length and a half. Ideal View in second. Somebody's racing in third. Dr. Choice now trying to get closer in fourth. Then here comes Grand Sensation to take fifth. Executive Order, Flash away, Doña Leonora, Wolf Run, Buku Juice, while Kiss Me now racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Showmaster by our length. Moving up now on the outside is Dr. Choice, Ideal View, Grand Sensation, Sambat. Last 100 meters we have Showmaster. Dr. Choice is on the outside. Showmaster, Dr. Choice moves up to take the lead, and finally Dr. Choice, Showmaster, Ideal View. Then comes Sambat and Grand Sensation.
95621.
Right, it was Dr. Choice, 9A ang ating winner dyan with Kem Malap.